In this instructional guide, I will demonstrate an efficient method for the deletion of all Instagram posts in a single operation. To begin, access your Instagram account and navigate to your profile page. Subsequently, tap on the three horizontal lines and proceed to your settings and activity. Within this section, select the option labeled Your Activity. Navigate to the Content You Shared section and select Posts. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all posts you have uploaded since the inception of your account. To delete all posts, tap on the Select button and mark all posts for deletion. Subsequently, tap on the Delete All option to permanently remove the selected posts from your Instagram account. It is crucial to note that this action is irreversible and cannot be undone. Therefore, exercise caution when employing this method. By following these steps, you can effortlessly delete all your Instagram posts in a single operation.